How to add a footer in Google Docs. What you want to do is go to Insert, Headers and Footers, and select Footer. There's an option that appeared. It says Different First Page. What Different First Page means is that whatever we type in the first page, it's not going to repeat on the subsequent pages. So for example, let's type in So whatever we've entered here in the first footer, it's not going to reappear in the other footers. Now let's select the footers again, and let's click that the different page is not first. As you can see, it automatically selected the footers from the other pages. So whatever we entered here is going to be added here. Now let's say you want to add a specific footer for only one page. What you want to do is locate the page that you want the specific footer to be at, and click on the page above it and go to Insert, Break, and Section Break. After you've done that, select the bottom right corner of the page that you want to add a footer to. Click Insert, Headers and Footers, Footer, and as you can see, there's also another option now. By default, it's selected to link to previous. So to add a specific footer, you just have to uncheck that. And now you're free to type whatever you want. However, every page after this page is going to have the exact same footer. So what you have to do is edit every page's footer separately. And that's how to add a footer in Google Docs.